Welcome! In this video, I'll guide you through how to submit an application for approval to conduct a prize promotion using the GMIS system. Let's get started. First, you'll need to log into the GMIS customer portal using either your Google or Microsoft account. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought to your main dashboard. On the dashboard, locate the Select an Action section and click Make an Application. Scroll down to the lottery sector and select Approval to conduct prize competition from the list. You'll now be in the Legal Entity section where you have two options: Existing Legal Entity or New Legal Entity. If you're an existing applicant, click that option and select your entity from the list. Once done, you can skip ahead to the Prize Competition section. However, if you're a new legal entity, you'll select New, and the option that best fits your specific situation, and fill out all your personal details completely and accurately. In this section, you'll provide all relevant information regarding the prize competition you wish to conduct. Once completed, save the application and then click Next. You'll now arrive at the questionnaire section. Read through and answer all questions carefully and honestly. When you're done, click Next to continue. In the Documents section, you'll see a list of required attachments. Any item with a tick mark beside it is mandatory. To upload a file, click the plus icon under the Upload column. To delete a document, select it using the checkbox and then click the small Delete icon. Once you've uploaded all your documents, click Next. Now, simply check the declaration checkbox to confirm that all information is accurate and complete. Then click Submit to send in your application. You'll be redirected to the payment gateway to process your application payment. From your dashboard, you can view your application under Approved Items or Applications. Select the application you had just submitted, which in this case is the Approval to Conduct Prize Promotion, to see all the details of the application. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you need help at any point, feel free to reach out to our support team.